Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to English Explained, where real conversations help you learn real English.
Hi everyone, I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma. Today we're going on an exciting trip. We're at the airport.
That's right, we'll learn useful English phrases for traveling, especially for beginners.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to English Explained and like this video. It really helps us create more lessons for you.
Absolutely. Let's get started with our travel English journey. Emma, I always get nervous when I check in at the airport. Can you help me?
Of course, it's easy once you know what to say. When you arrive at the counter, say, "Hello, I have a flight to London. Can I check in here?"
Hello, I have a flight to London. Can I check in here?
Perfect. Then the staff will probably say, "Can I have your passport and ticket, please?"
So I just hand them over and say, here you go.
Exactly. Then they might ask, "How many bags are you checking in?"
I can answer, just one suitcase, or I have 2 bags.
Well done. After that, you'll get your boarding pass. You can say, "Can I have my boarding pass, please?"
Can I have my boarding pass, please? Sounds polite.
Yes, always be polite when you travel. Then check your gate number and boarding time on your pass.
What's a gate exactly?
The gate is where you board your plane. It's usually written as something like a 10 or B5.
So if my pass says gate 14B, I should go there at the boarding time, right?
Exactly. If you're late, you might miss your flight. And nobody wants that.
The part that always makes me nervous is security.
Don't worry, it's easy if you follow the steps. First, wait in line, then show your passport and boarding pass again. Keep them in your hand.
Okay, don't put them in my bag.
Right. Then you'll put your carry-on bag on the belt for scanning.
Carry-on means the small bag I take on the plane, right?
Yes. Sometimes they'll ask, "Please take off your shoes," or "Take your laptop out of the bag."
What if I don't understand them?
You can say, "Sorry, can you repeat that, please?" Or, "Can you say that again slowly?"
That's helpful. And if they ask about liquids?
Say, "No, I don't." Or, "Yes, I have a small bottle of water." But remember, no big bottles.
Okay, Emma, I made it through security. What's next?
Now you find your gate and wait for boarding. Listen for announcements like, "Flight 102 to London is now boarding at gate 14B.
Then I go to the gate and show my passport and boarding pass again.
Perfect. When you board, say hello or thank you to the staff. Once you're on the plane, find your seat number. It's on your boarding pass.
Mine says 22A.
That means row 22, seat A, usually a window seat.
Great. I love window seats. What if I need help?
You can ask a flight attendant, "Excuse me, can I have a blanket, please?" Or, "Can I have some water?"
And if I don't understand what they say,
Just say, "Sorry, I didn't understand. Can you repeat, please?" When the seatbelt sign is on, stay seated.
got it. And when it's off, I can go to the restroom.
Exactly. You can ask, "Where is the restroom?" if you can't find it.
The plane has landed. What now?
First, go to passport control. The officer might ask, "Why are you here? How long will you stay?"
I can say, I'm here for vacation or I'll stay for 2 weeks.
Perfect. Then go to baggage claim to get your suitcase.
What if I can't find my bag?
Go to the help desk and say, "Excuse me, I can't find my bag."
And what's customs?
It's the last step. Officers check what you're bringing into the country. If you have nothing special, go through the green channel and say nothing. If they stop you, just say, "I have personal items. Nothing to declare."
I have personal items. Nothing to declare. Got it. Finally. I'm out. How do I get to my hotel?
You can say to a taxi driver, "Hello, can you take me to this address?" and show your phone or paper.
That sounds easy. I feel confident now.
You should. You've learned all the key phrases for traveling. Let's review some useful phrases together. Repeat after us. "I have a flight to London. Can I check in here?" Here you go. "Can I have my boarding pass, please?" "Excuse me, where is gate 14B? Can I have a coffee, please?" "Where's the restroom?" "I have personal items. Nothing to declare."
Perfect. These sentences will help you at any airport around the world.
That's right. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Thanks for joining us today, dear learners.
Don't forget to subscribe to English Explained and like this video to support more real-life English conversations.
See you in the next episode, and safe travels.
Bye, everyone.